Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how you can play your Steam library on your Mac. First thing we need to do is head over to our web browser. You want to go to your search engine and search for GeForce Now. Once you've done this, click on the first link, which will look like this. I'll also leave this website linked in the description below. GeForce Now is a cloud gaming service where you connect to a Windows PC remotely in the cloud, and you can control it using your Mac as if you're playing it directly on your Mac. This is a great solution for playing Windows games that you cannot access on your Mac otherwise. First, you need to sign up for a GeForce Now account, as this will make setup a lot easier later on. To do this, click on the Join Now button in the top right. Here you'll see some membership tiers, but the one we're interested in today is the free tier. If you do like this service, you can upgrade to a priority or ultimate tier. For now, we're going to click on the Join button under the free tier and then create your GeForce account by following the step-by-step process. Once you've signed up, we need to go back to the home page we were at previously. From here, we need to download the GeForce Now app onto our Mac. Click on the download link here at the very top. This will take you to the download page. It's going to prompt you to launch the GeForce Now app in your web browser, which you can do on other devices. However, I do recommend downloading the app to your Mac as it's going to be a lot more stable. To do this, scroll down slightly to the Platforms section. Here you can get a glimpse of all the platforms you can play on. We want Mac, so click on the Download button under Mac and then we're going to download the installer to our desktop. Now that we've got the installer downloaded to our Mac, go ahead and open it up. Then drag and drop the GeForce Now logo into the Applications folder. This will install the GeForce Now app onto our Mac. Once we've done this, we can exit out of the installer and delete it. Now that the installer has been deleted, we just need to open the GeForce app. So open your Spotlight and type in GeForce, and open the application. It's going to prompt you if you want to open this app from the internet, so click on Open. After a few seconds, the GeForce app will open and it will look like this. From here, click on the Get In button. This will open your default web browser and prompt you to log into your GeForce Now account. Go ahead and do that now. Once you've logged into your account, you now have access to the GeForce Now application, which will look like this. To go ahead and play our Steam games, we need to link our Steam account to our GeForce Now account. Click on Connect to your store account. From here you'll be given a list of all the different store accounts you can connect to your GeForce Now account. In this case, we want Steam, so click on Connect. This will open our web browser again, but this time to the Steam website, where you want to sign into your Steam account. Now that we're signed into our Steam account, we can go back to the GeForce Now application. As you can see, we have successfully connected our Steam account, and I've got 54 games synced. Bear in mind not all Steam games are available on the GeForce Now application, but this constantly gets updated. Once we've done this, click on the menu icon in the top left-hand corner and then click on Games. You can now browse your Steam games that you have currently purchased and have access to on GeForce Now. When you're ready to play a game, just hover over the game you want to play and then click on the Play button. This will connect to your network and do a server test. It will then put you in a queue for the next available gaming rig that's available. You can choose to upgrade to a pay tier if you want to have instant access to your games without going into a queue. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching Rome Tech.